Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Sketchup 2021 for beginners. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glide Studio, and in this today video tutorial we are going to understand about rectangle tool and rotated rectangle tool. So you can see this is the measurement box here. If I am going to select this rectangle here, can see it is asking to enter dimensions. So after this you are see the symbol of rectangle with pencil tool, and I'm going to, with my left mouse click, I'm clicking once here in viewport, and now it is asking dimensions. So you are required to enter both dimension, length and width. You can see if I am going towards red line and green line, the dimensions are changing. So if I am going to give this as a square value, so I am going to give this as 6 feet comma 6 feet, enter. So it's a square. Again, if you want to draw a rectangle, I'm going to left click here, and now I'm going to enter value 12 feet 12 feet comma 6 feet, enter. So you can see this is the rectangle. So again, if you want to change the value of this rectangle, you are just required to enter dimensions here without clicking anywhere. I'm going to enter 8 feet comma 8 feet, and the dimensions are changed. So it is a bit tricky in rectangle, but it's not difficult. So if you want to draw along this plane, the green line plane and red line plane, so you are required to draw rectangle with left arrow. To draw along this green line, the plane will change. So I'm going to select left arrow, and you can see the symbol is changed and it's showing green line. That means this is vertical plane along this green line. So if I am going to click anywhere here, you can see this green line is following with the left arrow clicked. I'm going to click here, and now you can enter dimensions, and it is like a vertical plane, and I'm going to enter dimensions 12 feet comma 7 feet, enter. And you can see this is in vertical plane along this green line with the left arrow clicked. So now if you will click right arrow, it will be draw along red line. So I'm going to click here, and you can give enter length here. So I'm going to enter any length here like 8 feet and comma 12 feet, enter. And you can see this is the with the right arrow key we can draw this plane here along red line. And so this is the basics of rectangle. Now we will understand about rotated rectangle. So as you can draw rotated rectangle as the name suggests, so you can view this tutorial here. You can follow these words also, you can draw by yourself. So now I'm in my rotated rectangle here, and it is similar to rectangle. You are required to enter measurement. So I'm going and click left mouse here. I'm clicking once, and now it's asking if you are required to enter length value. So you are not required to enter here. You are just follow along red line or green line, and I'm going to enter value here 9 feet. And after entering, you can see this rotated rectangle. You can enter value, and you can see angle is forming. So it is asking width comma angle. So you are required to first enter width, and then comma you are required to enter at what angle you want your rotated rectangle to be formed. So I'm going to enter any width here. So I'm going to enter 10 feet here, and comma I'm going to enter the angle value. So I want it at 45 degrees. So I will enter 45 and press enter. So this is our rotated rectangle and formed. And after that you can extrude this with the push pull here, or you can do anything as per your design. Can draw lines here, can draw any shape as you want it to be included in your design, and then you can use your push pull here. So this is just to make you understand and make you familiar about the tools. So this was the tutorial for today's session. In the next session we'll understand some more commands in SketchUp. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.